Hello kids, how are you all? Today we are going to start with revision of chapter 7. Okay, now let's start. Chapter 7, our festivals. Now let's start revision. Festivals are times of celebrations. There are different types of festivals celebrated in India. First, religious festivals. Second, harvest festivals. Third, national festivals. Religious festivals. We celebrate many festivals as religious festivals. People wear new clothes, exchange gifts and sweets on these festivals. We visit our family members on these days. Diwali. It is also known as the festival of light. On this day, houses are decorated with lights, candles, and diyas. Some people also burn crackers on this festival. Burning crackers pollutes the air and makes it harmful for us. Diwali is the festival of lights celebrated all over India. It is celebrated to honor the victory of Lord Rama over King Ravana and his return back home after 14 years. Eid Fitr. People go to mosque and pray on this day. They greet each other and say Eid Mubarak. It is celebrated after Ramzan. Ramzan is a month of fasting. A special dish called sevaiya is made on this day. Children receive Eid from elders as gift. This festival is also known as the Feast of Breaking the Fast. It is celebrated worldwide to mark the end of Ramadan. Gurpurab, the birthday of the 10 Sikh Guru, are celebrated as Gurpurab. People decorate their houses with lights and candles on these days. They also go to gurdwaras to pray. This festival is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is celebrated as the day to remember Holy Guru Guru Nanak. Christmas. This day marks the birth of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. People go to church and pray on Christmas Eve. People decorate Christmas trees with candies, stars, and other decorations. Houses are decorated with lights and candles. Christmas Eve is celebrated on 24th December. Christmas is celebrated to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas means feast day of Christ. This festival is celebrated all over the world. Harvest festivals. When crops are ready, they are cut and gathered or harvested by farmers. There are many harvest festivals celebrated by people in different parts of India. Lori. It is a harvest festival celebrated in January. People dance around bonfires and celebrate with their families. Next, Pongal. It is also celebrated every year in January. A special dish called Pongal is made on this day. Onam. On this festival, people decorate elephants and take out processions. Bihu. On this festival, a special dance is performed by people. This dance is also called Bihu dance. National festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. These festivals are celebrated by people all over India. Independence Day. It is celebrated every year on 15th August. On this day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. It is celebrated every year on 26th January. The President of India hoists the national flag and takes the salute of a parade at the Rajpath in Delhi. Gandhi Jayanti. The birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated every year on 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji is known as the father of our nation. Did you know? Every year on Independence Day, bravery awards are given to children. Find out who received the bravery awards this year. Let's recall. First, Diwali, Eid, Gurupurab, and Christmas are some religious festivals celebrated in India. Second, harvest festivals are celebrated after farmers harvest the crops. Lori, Pongal, Onam, and Bihu are some important harvest festivals. Third, Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are the national festivals of India. I hope you understood this chapter properly. Thank you.